Good morning kahit hindi na morning. Ako yung phone eh. Hindi ko alam kung paano ako magte-thank you sa lahat na nag-message. Saying encouraging words and asking what happened and kung sino yung nanakit sa. Para isang kwentuhan na lang. Dito na lang kasi love ko kayo. Tsaka hindi naman ako takot magkwento but I'm not gonna name names. Okay? For privacy purposes. Parang palagi ko sinasabi yun. For privacy purposes. Ito na. I won't go into full detail. Pero, majority ng mga hindi magagandang bagay na narinig ko this week. Outside of work naman. And they're not from family or from like close friends or acquaintances. They're from people that they think they're close to me pero hindi. Like, putang ina mo, day! Kaya din siguro ako nagkaroon ng crying episode. Kasi someone said something mean in my face at work. Okay lang pag outside of work. Alam mo yung mga tipong mga taong, alam mo yun, hindi ko nakakasama on a daily basis. Pero kasi itong mga taong to, kasama ko on a daily basis. So parang, I won't go into full detail anymore what was said to me. Kasi tapos na yun eh. Alam mo yun, parang, yun, siguro yung taong yun, sinabi lang din siya sa akin out of frustration. Pero, ang hirap din kasi pag nasabihan ko ng ganun, nakakatulog. And now na nakatulog na ako, medyo kumalma na ako. And if you guys didn't know, nung nag-post ako kanina ng mga earlier my day ko, nagtatrabaho pa rin ako noon. I was at work. And even yung mga colleagues ko doon sa side hustle ko was like, what happened to you? Why are you crying while working? And doon sa isa ko kasing work, may Zoom meetings talaga kami pag morning. And they noticed the change in my aura. And they were like, are you okay? Sabi ko, yeah, I'm good. Tapos nag-work kami. May video nga eh. Tapos nakikita lang nila ako umiiyak. Sabi ko, what happened? Ano nangyari? Gumagano sila sa akin. May morning meetings kasi kami dun sa isa kong work, sa isa kong side hustle. And they noticed the shift in my aura. Kasi nga, I'm very perky, I'm very happy-go-lucky kind of person. Alam mo yun, energetic ako. Napansin nila yun. And while we were in the meeting, bigla na ako umiyak. So, lumipat muna ako ng pwesto kasi nasa kwarto si mother. Ayoko marinig niya to. Pero yun nga, during our morning meeting, bigla na ako umiyak. Pero yung iyak ko, yung hindi, ganun. It's more of tumutulo na lang yung luha ko and napapansin nila. And they kept asking, what happened? Kasi kilala nga nila ako bilang energy. And they kept asking like, what happened? Who hurt you? Ganyan. And I'm like, don't mind me. Gumanon ako. I'm good. I just needed to let out some emotions and process them well. Kaso wala akong schedule para mag-breakdown. Pati ba naman pag-breakdown may schedule. Nakapag-work naman ang person. Kahit na nagbe-breakdown. Sabi nga ng mga kasama ko sa side hustle ko, sa second job ko, if you want to take, the day off, ganyan, to rest, to recuperate, and I'm like, no, I'm good. I can do this. Yun. Pero hindi na ako nagpaalam na nag-log out na. So, ang moral lesson natin dito, sa nangyari sa akin, schedule ang breakdown accordingly. Huwag iiyak sa Zoom meeting. Buti na talaga, kaya kong gawin yung work ko kahit nakapikit ako. Kasi sobrang, And also, make sure to take care of your mental health. Okay? Like, ako promise, palagi ko sinasabi sa sarili ko, kailangan i-schedule ko yung pagdi-decompress ko. Kasi minsan nakakalimutan ko. Kaya siguro ganun din yung nangyari sa akin. Ganito no.